Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude, offset plane, hold, and fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create a circle with 50 millimeters of diameter and extrude this 30 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, click here on the midpoint, 50 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, 30 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will create a plane here. This plane is an offset of the front plane. Here is the front plane, and the distance here is 25 millimeters, the radius of this circle. So go to construct, select the offset, select the front plane, minus 25 millimeters. The minus is just to change the direction and press OK. Select this new plane and go to create a sketch. And in this new plane, we will create this sketch here. And the first thing that we'll make, create a line here with 30 millimeters. And here in the center of this line, we will create a construction line here with 65.5 millimeters of length. So select the line, click here in the midpoint, 30 millimeters. I made two lines here, sorry. 30 millimeters, and select line again, a construction line. Make a construction line here with 65.5 millimeters of length. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this point and this line here. And here we will create a line, an arc, and another line. So select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, remove the construction line type, make a line, click it with the left button and hold this to create an arc, and make another line here. Make sure that this line is a horizontal line. And go to constraint, select coincident, select this arc and this point here. And now we will create this rectangle here, 30 millimeters by 14. So select the line, 30 millimeters by 14. And go to sketch dimension, the distance between these two lines, 7 millimeters to make this rectangle in the center. And finish the sketch. We made this profile. And now we will extrude this 15 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, 15 millimeters of distance, the operation join, and press OK. And now we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. So here in the front plane, we will create this sketch here. The radius here is 12.5, and the distance between the tangent point here and the midpoint is 42.5. So let's create a construction line here and create this sketch like we made this in this side, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select the line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 30 millimeters of length. And here, select a line again, construction line. I will hide this bar a little bit. Find the center here, make a line here with 42.5 millimeters. Okay. And now here we will create this line, this arc, and this line here, 12.5 millimeters of radius. So select the line here, remove the construction line type, make a line, make an arc here, and another line. Make sure that this arc is tangent with the both lines, and go to constraint, select the coincident, select this arc, and this point here, and select the center of this arc and this line, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 12.5. And now we need to extrude this 30 millimeters. So finish the sketch, go to extrude, show this body here. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance here 30 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. And now we will select the top face, and we will make this sketch here, and we will create a circle with 42 millimeters of diameter, and we will make a rectangle here to create this cut, and the distance here is 2 millimeters and the length 42.5 millimeters. So select this face and go to create a sketch. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 42 millimeters. And select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here. Go to constraints, midpoint, select this line and the center point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here 42.5. And the distance here 2 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select all this profile, and the extended type, select all, flip the direction, the operation here is cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. And now we will create this hole here. So here is a counterbore hole. So the diameter 11 millimeters, the deep 6 millimeters, and the hole through all 6.6 millimeters. So select the hole and select this face here. For reference, select this arc, and the extend here, select the all, the hole type, select the counter body, the diameter here 11, the deep here is 6 millimeters, and the diameter here is 6.6, and press OK. Now we will create this hole here with the same dimension of this one. So go to hole again, select this face here, the reference, select this arc, the extend, select all, the type, counter body, the diameter 11, deep 6, and the diameter of the hole 6.6 millimeters, and press OK. We made this cut here. Now we will rotate this part a little bit and go to create a sketch and select this face here. And in this face, we will make this sketch. We will create an hexagon, and the distance here is 11 millimeters. And the deep, the cut that we'll make is 6 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select a polygon, select circumscribe polygon, find the center of the circle, make a polygon here, go to sketch dimension, the distance here 11 millimeters, and go to constraints, make sure that this line here is a horizontal line, and finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile, the distance here minus 6 millimeters, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. And now to finish this exercise, it is missing an information here, but all the fillet is 2 millimeters of radius. So all the black edge here is 2 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet and select this edge here, this one, select these three faces here and select this face here, select this edge here and this edge here, and the fillet here is 2 millimeters of radius. We don't need to select this face. Let me remove this face here. Select this edge. This edge here, 2 millimeters. Let me see. Let me edge this to edge here. And this one, 2 millimeters. Let me add one more, this three face. And select this edge here, 2 millimeters. And select the bottom edge here. Don't forget to select this, okay? Edge this one. And press OK. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.